My name's Heather Elder and I represent photographers. Oh, well at first I was gonna say white wine with ice, but we're starting to discover whiskey, so. Let's go with whiskey. White wine with ice makes me sound old, so. I need it to be okay the next morning, so. Oh, guacamole, 100%. No, wait, but I like when my picture is taken well. I want to write a book. White wine or whiskey. I'd like to go to Portugal. TV. Oh God, like Obama or Michelle Obama or, yeah, I don't know. That would be really cool, I think. Oh no, Beyonce. Oh my God, I can't sing and I'm so afraid of singing, so I'd want to be her. I want to experience that. I think my career is just cool. Like, I don't think there's one thing. I'd be an author.